Okay guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automate refunds request with n8n and the PayPal. So you'll capture a refund request via webhook from a support form, CRM or e-commerce system. We'll extract the refunds details, the customer email, amount and reason. We'll trigger a PayPal payout to send the refund and notify your team in Slack when the refund is completed. So let's start the workflow. First you have the webhook, the refund request. HTTP post, path refund request, response immediately, and response code 200. So we want to capture the fields, the email, the amount, the currency, and the reason. After that, we need the set node to format the refund data. So you have the receiver email, JSON email, the amount, the currency that you need, and the note, the refund issue, JSON reason. After that, we have the node PayPal to create the payout. His purpose is to issue the refund to the customer via PayPal. Let's open it. On the sender batch ID will be refund plus date.now. Resource payout, operation, create. Will be also the items. The recipient type will be email, the receiver will be JSON receiver email, the amount, the currency, and the note. After that, you'll have the Slack note to notify team. His purpose is to alert your finance support team whenever a refund has been issued. The channel will be finance team, and the text will be this: refund issue, customer JSON receive email, amount, reason, and the status. That was a simple workflow, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.